Rubber bands, a weapon that most of us had used to get the attention of that one cute girl in elementary school and acting like it wasn't you so you don't seem like a creep. Or sometimes even flinging rocks at your friends with slingshots and knocking them out. Then one day in class, you learn about something called elasticity. And we all assume that rubber bands are the most elastic things, haven't we? Well, it kind of turns out we were all pretty stupid. The most elastic substance that has been found on Earth is steel. Yes, steel, as in the metal that we find in our kitchens. How, you ask? Well, if you search up the definition of elasticity, it means something that could be compressed or stretched, but goes to its original shape as fast as possible. Steel is a metallic compound also known as alloys. It is considered one of the strongest and one of the most important metals to humans. Steel was first used to make swords and shields since it was stronger than iron. But as humans started to advance, they started to use steel to make things like home frames, pans, pots, or even sometimes car parts. Alloys are the result of metallic bonding, one of the 7 different bonding methods of atoms. Alloys are the result of 2 or more metals that are melted, mixed, and cooled down. The reason that steel is an elastic metal is it is a substitutional alloy made up of iron and carbon. Iron has an atomic mass of 55.8 and carbon only has 12.01, meaning that carbon atom is smaller, so it won't be able to fully replace the iron atom, making it have empty space that will allow the atom to flex and compress. Now let's go back to rubber. Rubber is a substance that comes from inside trees. It is also made up of carbon, but instead of iron this time, it is mixed with hydrogen. It comes out as a sap or isoprene from the trees, and here it cools down, causing it to become a very elastic substance. Rubber is one of the most flexible substances that has been discovered on Earth, but is not considered one of the most elastic substances. The sap is created through ionic bonding, which is the transfer of an electron from one metal to a non-metal. Steel, a metal that is flexible, is the most elastic metal due to when it is stretched, it goes back to its original shape way faster than rubber, which flexes way farther than the steel.